The Assyrian Way of Life book, scroll 14, the village is the temple. We do not go to pray, we live in prayer. The path to the well is holy, the clay oven is sacred, the mountain goat is a hymn. Every village is a living temple, built by breath, held by rhythm, carried by the people. The call of the rooster is our morning bell. The laughter of children is our psalm. The sound of weaving looms is our liturgy. The sick are healed by neighbors. The orphan is raised by the whole. The feast is shared by all hands. To lose the village is to lose the temple. To protect it is to guard eternity.